The lockdown which was imposed on our country made us see many sides of our TV celebs. It was as if the lockdown gave them the opportunity to reinvent themselves. The pandemic has surely caused panic across the world, but it has also given people the opportunity to spend time with their family and work on their creative self. During the lockdown, we saw many TV celebs starting their own cookery show. Some even went on to give beauty tips, sneak peek into their lives. Some even went on to start their own online acting classes. While we also saw many celebs pampering themselves like never before. Recently, we saw Shadi Mubarak actress Nisha Rawal, who celebrates her birthday today, went a tad adventurous and marked her 40th birthday by getting inked. The actress has not got one but only 4 tattoos done on her arm. While most of us celebrate our birthdays partying and hanging out with our friends, some of us do love to pamper ourselves on a special day. The celebrities are no different. ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है फेम Karan Mehra's actress wife Nisha Rawal is an exemplar of same as she treated herself with a pampering session 2 days before her birthday. In a recent post, the actress shared that she decided to get inked. This is going to be a special birthday. Since I have been on my journey of self-love, I decided to give myself many firsts this year for my birthday. While the country is still fighting the pandemic, Nisha started her reasons for getting a tattoo. She wrote, "These tattoos have been on my mind forever. While many of us think why a tattoo, especially during such COVID crisis, and since I love you all so much, I decided to answer the question by saying that this is a milestone birthday for me and I wanted to make it extra special, the one that I shall remember forever." She also thanked her fans for his support and stated the significance of each tattoo. She wrote, "My babu, real Karan Kamra, thank you for always being for my side, for all the madness I wish to indulge in. What my tattoo stands for are 4 bands: Baby Angel, Kavish, Lovey, Honey, My First Pet, Dad and Circle of Life." It's not just the tattoo. The actress also pampered a day before her birthday and also shared a peek into how she is celebrating her special day with her loved ones. For the uninitiated, Baby Angel is Karan Mehra and Risha Rawal's unborn child, whom they had terminated in the year 2014. Nisha had started her Instagram page, The Motherhood Chronicles, wherein she shares her motherhood experiences, tips and facts about pregnancy with the fellow to-be mommy's followers. Some time back, Nisha had shared a video on elective abortion and revealed that they had lost a child in 2014 by terminating her pregnancy. Nisha had captioned her video as "Elective abortion. I always say I only talk on topics that I had an experience on. So here I am, sharing the most difficult topic to share. Losing a child is a loss that I could compare to losing a limb. Not a day goes by when you don't remember your lost child." Before stepping into the world of acting, Nisha Rawal had done some advertisements and music videos. She had made her television debut with Aane Wala Pal on Doordarshan and Bollywood debut with Rafu Chakkar in 2008. Known for her role in Main Lakshmi Tere Aangan Ki, Nisha had married Karan Mehra in 2012 after meeting him on the sets of Haste Haste and dating for 6 years before tying the knot. 4 years into marital bliss, when Karan Mehra was in the Big Boss house, his wife Nisha Rawal has found out that she is pregnant, and in 2017 the lovebirds had welcomed their little bundle of joy, Kavish Mehra, into their lives. Well, what is your take on the subject of elective abortion? Hit the comment section and tell us your views. Also, don't forget to keep coming back to telechakkar.com.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.